Hi guys, it's your girl Joyceline Kay, and today we are going to be making a poncho tutorial. These have been like one of the most asked tutorial on this channel since last year, since I made the video of it last year. So this is a detailed video of this poncho. Yeah, it's so easy. We'll get right into the tutorial already. Let's check out the materials that we'll be using for this. Okay, so these are the materials that you need. You need pin and yarn, and my pin size, you need pin and yarn, and my pin size is size 5.50 millimeters, pin 1/8. That's I or 1, something like I, but yeah, /9, not 8. Okay, it's a big pin. And your yarn, the yarn I'm using is 100% acrylic. It is actually a very big yarn, jumbo yarn. It's 798 yards, which is 730 meters long, and it's 14 ounces, which is 396.9, let's say 397 grams in the weights. Okay, and like I said, I'll be using this, and you might be needing your tape too for the neck measurement. So let's start. Okay, I'll be starting with my chain, of course, and I'll make a long chain. Let me say I'll do 8 inches long chain. Let's start with 8 inches. I said I'm going to start with 8 inches long chain. I'm not dragging it or anything. I just kept it like this, and it's 8 inches. But if I drag it, it's 9 inches. But if I leave it like this, it's 8 inches. Okay, yeah. So if you want to do by counting and you're using the same size of pin and the same weight of yarn, you might have to count, and it is 2, 4, 8, 30, 32. So this is 32 chains, okay, which is 8 inches. And now I'm going to do my first half double crochet on the third one. I'm using half double crochet stitches, so half double crochet on the third one, then half double crochet all the way down on all the stitches. So I have gotten to the end at this place, and right now I'm just going to do 2 chains, and I'm turning back to the other side. So now I'm going to do half double crochet slip stitch. So I'm doing a slip stitch on the other stitch, so you can see, dividing it into 2. So I'm going to do this till I get to this end. So I am at the end now too. So I'm going to just close it up with my chains. That's 2 chain. Turn my work again and do the same thing. Slip stitch my half double crochet on each of these stitches, each of the previous row. So I'm just going to do the same thing over and over again. Now you have to be very cautious when you get to the end, and make sure you get right to the end before you turn, or else you start having it going smaller. Or when you get to the end, make sure you don't add. Be very careful, make sure you don't add, so that it will not go bigger. I'm saying this because of beginners that might have issues of their end not being straight. your end needs to be very straight. Okay, if you're not sure whether you've gotten to the end, the best thing you can do is count your stitches. Count how many stitches you have from here to here, and whenever you get to the end and you're confused, you count it. That means the stitches must be the same on all the rows. So if your stitch is 32, the second row should be 32 and the third one should be 32. So you count it. If it's not up to 32, you know that you're not doing the right thing. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing this. It's just the same thing you're going to do. This is very simple. Just keep doing it till you get to the end. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, and I was trying to explain to you to get to the end. You can see this place is not straight. This side is small and this side is longer. So in total we have a length of, see, this is 7. Remember I started with 8, which is this side. This side is 8. The beginning is 8, of course. See, the beginning is 8 inches, and this other side is not even up to 8, but it doesn't matter, right? Because it's a stretch. It's a stretch. So if you make a mistake like this, don't bother about it. The total inches I made is 17 when not stretched, but if I stretch it, it's going to get to 20. 18, let's say 18 inches. So my total length for this particular cardigan poncho for the neck is 18 inches. So now I'm going to bring for this pin. This is pin 2.75 millimeters. I'm using this because it has a smaller head, so it's going to help me when I'm passing it through this slip stitches place. Okay, so now I'm just going to join the two of them together by single crochet stitch. So this is single crochet already, so I just brought it in like that, and I'm going to take from this side, take one here and the other one here, but I'm slip stitching on this one because this one have a double stitch, which is a normal stitch, while this one is the tail stitch, which is the, what's it called, the chain stitch. So this one have just one side left, which I'll take, and then I'll take from the other side like so, and like so on this other side. I'm making it thorough because of the beginners we have in the house that wants to learn this. I know it might be difficult for some, so yeah, but as a beginner you can easily just take everything like this, so it will not show. But for your work to be neat, right, you have to carefully take one strand of yarn each. So I'm just going to do this till I get to this end right here. Okay, so I'm at the end, and I'm just going to do 2 chains to lock it up, and this is how it looks right now. You can see this is the back side, so I'll switch it up to the good side. This is how it looks. So now, instead of cutting the yarn, this is what I'm going to do. You divide this stuff into 2. We need the front and the back. Okay, so you need your stitch marker. Sorry, I forgot to mention from the beginning that you need a stitch marker, because you definitely need 2 stitch markers. But in this case, I'm going to be marking just one place. I'm going to use this as my stitch marker. So this is going to be my first double crochet stitch, my first place of double, how do I say, this is going to be my back, and this side is going to be my front. So from this place that I joined, okay, to this other side, it must be equal. If you don't know how to make it equal, you have to count the rows, because it's row by row, row by row. So you have to count the total rows and divide it into 2. Okay, So you count the rows and you divide it into 2. For me, this is my middle part, so I'm going to mark that place. So when I get there, I'll show you what I'll do. So I'm bringing back my 5.5mm pin, and I'll start crocheting to get my poncho formed. Okay, so this is 3 chains. Okay, so I'm going into this place, right? So yeah, I'm doing 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3 double crochet. I don't know if I should do chain. Okay, let's do 1 chain. 1 chain, move to the next place and do 3 double crochet in the same place. Make a chain and go to the next place and do 3 double crochet in the same place. Make a chain, go to the next place. You see, I'm skipping 1 row each after every chain. I'm skipping 1 row after every chain. After making a chain, you skip 1 row, you go to the next row and do 3 double crochet. You make a chain, you go to the next row, skip 1 row, do your 3 double crochet. This is very easy. I'm just going to use red color. You can switch your colors according to what you want. You can just get to the length you want and then you cut it, you add another color, or anyhow you want to switch your color. You can do that. But for this, I'm going to be using just red. So this is almost at the middle part. Okay, so finally we are at the middle. So now after your 3 chains at this middle place, let's remove this stitch marker. Okay, so at this middle place we are going to do 2 groups of 3. That's 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same place. That's 6 double crochet in the same place. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, which I would have used 2 chains here, but let's use chain 1, 3 double crochet, then you chain 1 and then you go to the next place. Remember, you're skipping 1 row. On the next row you're doing this. You chain 1, you go to the next place. So I'm going to do this till I get to this place again. Okay, so I'm at the end, which is where I began. And now remember we did 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in this place, and it's directly opposite this place where I started, which is going to be my back side of the dress. So now after doing my chain, I'm going into this place. I'm ignoring this place, this thing, because I just needed to do this so that I can start a new set. So I'm going to ignore all that and I'll go into the same place where I've already put 3. I'll put 3 double crochet there, and I'll chain 1 and I would go here and slip stitch into this place. So on this place now we have 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in this same place, just like we have on this other side. So you must make sure that it is equal. That means from here to here and from here to here is the same size and length. And when you get that, all you have to do here is 3 chains. Now we would go back to this place where we have this chain at the back. So we'll go back and do 2 more double crochet, making it 3 double crochet in the same place. So 2 more double crochet plus that chain that we did here is 3 double crochet in the same place. So with that, I'm going to do chain 1, go into this next chain and do my double crochet stitch. That's 3 double crochet, chain 1, going to the next place, do 3 double crochet stitch, chain 1, go to the next, do the same thing, go to the next, do the same thing, until we get to this place where we did this. So I'm at this place where I did 6, so I'm going to just do 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same place, chain 1 and move forward, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and move forward, 3 double crochet in another place. So this is just what we are going to be doing here, nothing much. Just keep going like this, there's nothing I want to show you here again, so I'm just going to keep going till I get the length that I want. Is straightforward, very straightforward, very easy to do. So I'm going to get to this place and I'll do the same thing I did in the previous row. So I'm at row 2. At the end of the row 2, I'm going to repeat the same thing, being my chain 1 and going to the same place and make 3 double crochet to complete this place to be 6 double crochet in the same place. That's 2 group of 3 double crochets. So 3 double crochet, chain 1 and go to the next place and slip stitch so that you complete this place. So slip stitch there so you can see this have 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same place, same as this other side. And that is just what I'm going to be doing. Like I said earlier, I'm just going to repeat this process and repeat it on all the rows. It grows automatically. You don't have to do anything. If you want to change color, you can cut the yarn. When you get to this place, you cut the yarn and change your color. Simple. You don't need any color switch secret idea to switch your color. You just switch it the way you want it, anyhow you want it. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Let me go and complete it off camera and I'm going to wear it and you guys will see how it looks. It's very easy and short, but thank you so much for watching. Let's see how it looks on me. Okay guys, so this is what we have here and I'm super excited because it's so cute. I saw the other one I made last year. Okay, so this is another new one and I decided to make red because I have lots of red yarn. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's so fun. I love it. It's making me feel very excited and I can wear this out. You can see, let me show you. Like I'm properly dressed for outing. You can see it's looking so nice. You can wear this to anywhere you want to go to. Yay! So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber, and share this video to your loved ones. It will be helpful. You know, it's not even a might, it will be helpful to somebody. Share this video to someone today. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video.